Anjali was born Nabeen Wabia in Navkot, Nepal. But while growing up, she always struggled to figure out why she felt and behaved like a girl. Her femininity was ridiculed by her peers all the time, so much so that her own father and brothers belittled her. After turning 18, Anjali moved to Kathmandu to explore her identity and was introduced to the Blue Diamond Society, a Nepali group that supports sexual minorities. Here is where she finally came to terms with her gender identity and was ready to introduce herself to the world. She was determined to achieve her goal, but faced multiple rejections for her gender. It was her relentless courage and her mom's unwavering support that never let her give up till the day she got selected to walk the ramp for Lakme Fashion Week. As women, we face several challenges in our daily lives, but for Anjali, her everyday battles were immensely more complicated. Anjali, you are a shining beacon of inclusivity to me, and today I'm proud to have you on the Girl Tribe, the inspirational journey of the first transgender model to walk the ramp at Lakme Fashion Week, Anjali Lama.
More power to all the girls out there, a part of Miss Malini's Girl Tribe.
Anjali Lama, thank you so much for coming here.
Thank you so much for having me here.
And आज मेरे पास भी एक challenge है because I'm going to do this show in Hindi. आप तैयार हैं? So Anjali, I think it's incredible क्योंकि आप हैं the very first transgender model to walk at Lakme Fashion Week. That is incredible. And you look beautiful.
Thank you so much.
So सबसे पहले I think you need to help me, okay? मुझे लगता है कि काफी लोग ये नहीं जानते that what does it mean to be transgender?
When I was one, I was son for my parents. But when I was growing up, I wanted to be like a female. I wanted to dress like a female.
And ये gay or lesbian नहीं है. It's a totally different.
Yeah, it's totally different. Gay and lesbian का जब तक वो लोग नहीं बताएंगे हाँ कि हमको पता नहीं चलेगा. The only thing is like transgender, like a male to female transgender, female to male transgender लोगों को देख के पता चल जाता है कि ये क्या है, लड़कियों का लड़का जैसा दिखता है और ये लड़की दिखता है लेकिन इसका आवाज कुछ बड़ा बड़ा लड़कों जैसा आता है, ये लड़कों का फीचर का दिखता है.
But आप तो बहुत खूबसूरत हैं.
Oh, thank you
And
so much.
I know कि आपको शुरू से people have said you should be a model. Now I want to know कि आपको किस उम्र में लगने लगा कि I don't feel comfortable इस body.
बचपन से पहले से होता है. It's like पहले से पता होता था कि मुझे भी mentally मैं डिस्टर्ब होती रहती थी. एवरी टाइम मेरा माइंड में होते रहते थे कि वाई आई एम लाइक दिस, कि लोग मुझे ऐसे क्यों बोलते हैं. हाँ मैं तो लड़का हूँ लेकिन मुझे ऐसा क्यों होता है कि लड़की की तरह फीलिंग क्यों आती है. क्यों लड़की की तरह बनने की कोशिश करती हूँ मैं. क्यों लड़कियों के साथ ज़्यादा मेरा दोस्ती होते हैं. वाई नॉट विथ बॉयज बिकॉज आई एम बॉय.
तो आपने कब डिसाइड किया कि मैं ओपनली लोगों को बताऊंगी कि आई एम ट्रांसजेंडर?
जब मुझे पता चला कि मैं ट्रांसजेंडर हूँ, दिस इज माई आइडेंटिटी. दैट व्हेन आई फाउंड माई आइडेंटिटी, आई थिंक दैट वाज द वन ऑफ माई हैप्पीस्ट डे इन द वर्ल्ड. बिकॉज कब से मैं जो सवाल का जवाब ढूंढ रही थी उस दिन पता चला था कि 2005 में ब्लू डायमंड सोसाइटी में जाके, दैट वाज द ब्लू डायमंड सोसाइटी इज ऑर्गेनाइजेशन हु वर्क्स फॉर LGBT कम्युनिटी. उस दिन जाके पता चला था. मैंने उसी दिन से आई डिस्क्लोज माई आइडेंटिटी काइंड ऑफ मैं जो हूँ मैं उसी तरह से रहूंगी.
तो आपके पेरेंट्स का क्या रिएक्शन था? आपके ब्रदर सिस्टर्स का क्या रिएक्शन?
After I disclosed my identity, I used to stay with my transgender friends.
Okay.
Then I stopped going to home and stopped call them. Then my brother called me and people are saying this and blah, 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 blah about you. What is it in reality? What is the reality? Tell me truth. Then I told him that, yes, whatever you heard, this is correct. This is right. I'm transgender. Then he told me okay, fine. From today, you are no more for us. Don't ever come to home. ऐसा कहा. Then it's fine. ओके भैया, अगर मेरी वजह से आप लोगों को लाइक कुछ होता है, ऐसे इज्जत बेइज्जती हो जाती है, आप लोगों को लोग ऐसे बोलते हैं, तो मैं घर में नहीं आऊंगी. But like mother used to call me, like time to
So
time.
she understood?
Yeah, she understood, and two sisters, they also used to call me.
It must be so hard.
Yeah.
Yeah. But so have you done any surgery? आपने कुछ किया?
I have done like only like boob surgery.
Okay.
Silicone.
हाँ. तो आपको different लगता है now? Do you feel like a different person surgery करने के बाद?
Before surgery, like I used to use hormones. I used to wear padded bras. Now I don't have to wear that. Yeah. So yeah.
हाँ. और आपने modeling कैसे शुरू की? Because that's a long stretch.
Oh my God, modeling. When I came to city, Kathmandu, and then people used to say, you look like a model, you have a good height, you have a good body. Then
You have an amazing jaw structure. Say about it.
I didn't know that time, like my react was, like I was just smiling and people, I don't know what they are saying to me, what does this mean to modeling. Maybe सपने देखने लगी, oh my God, मैं भी model बनना चाहती हूँ, काश मैं भी model होती है, TV में, fashion TV में, ramp walk कर पाती. In 2007 in Nepal में transgender का beauty pageant हुआ, and I got the one title, that was Miss Charming.
That's a good title.
Yeah, I got the title of Miss Charming. Then slowly in 2009, I get the opportunity to be covered in the magazine, one of the national magazine, and then magazine published, and we were waiting for the jobs. But nothing, no, हमें कुछ भी नहीं मिला, कुछ भी नहीं हुआ. Oh my God. Then one of my friends suggested me to go to one modeling agency, and you go there and take a training. Then after that, I thought now I will get job. Yeah. Then, I was giving an audition for so many fashion shows. I was giving audition. Many times I was rejecting, and I asked with my manager that why I am rejecting so many times. Then they said, because of your identity, people didn't want transgender for their show. उसके बाद मुझे बहुत दुख होता था. I was sometimes मैं कमरे बंद करके रोती थी, क्या करूं, नहीं मिल रहा है. From 2016, I was trying for Lakme. 2 times I get rejected, and even though I was hoping to get, so 3rd time also I tried. Then finally,
आपको क्या लगा 3rd time में आपने क्या अलग किया?
My mom used to say me that कभी भी हिम्मत नहीं आना, just keep going, keep going. You will find your way.
Okay, now I want to talk about love. क्योंकि सबको प्यार चाहिए, everybody wants to find romance. So I want to know, आपकी लाइफ में कोई चेंज आया है in finding love, and आपको क्या लगता है?
I think I am one of the luckiest person in this world in love since today. I disclosed my identity in 2005. Since 2005, I have a boyfriend.
और वो आपको चाहते हैं कि आप सेक्स चेंज कराएं? But they're okay. He's okay.
I think whatever I do, my feeling for him is always same. So it doesn't matter I change my everything or not. But it's all about love.
Yeah. और आप उनसे शादी करना चाहेंगे?
Definitely. His parent still doesn't know that he have affair with me, like a transgender girl.
So do you want to have children also?
Yeah, it's surrogacy we can, but it's so expensive.
But then you'll have to choose that surrogacy में you'll have a piece of you or a piece of him, and then you'll have.
I think piece of him.
Thank you so much. और आपको जाने से पहले I'm gonna ask you to do a little pledge.
Thank you so much.
सबसे पूछती हूँ कि आप दुनिया के लिए और लड़कियों के लिए क्या चाहती हैं? So please write me a pledge.
Okay.
And please sign your name.
Okay.
Your beautiful name, Anjali.
Yes.
Thank you so much. और आपने क्या pledge किया है?
Well, my goal to replace is equality, I want equality for everyone, every gender, every culture, and this words mean a lot, and this word speak a lot. I just want equality.
I love that. Equality for everyone. For me, for you, especially for you. All right, please, आप अपना pledge, will you put it on my wall
sure.
of fame?
Yeah.
See, Sonali Bendre is also there. So
yeah, my favorite.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for coming. आपसे बात बहुत अच्छा लगा बात करके.
मुझे भी.
And
Thank
I
you
think
so
मेरी
much.
हिंदी काफी improve हो गई. I couldn't believe it. All the best to you. And
Thank you so
all
much.
my love and luck to you. और
Thank you
अगर
so much.
कभी भी आपको कोई मदद चाहिए, please हमारे गर्ल ट्राइब आपके लिए हाजिर है.
Thank you so much. It's meant a lot to me. Thank you.
Thank you. And now, ladies from the girl tribe, it's over to you. And that's a wrap for today's episode of The Girl Tribe. Let me know in the comments below what you guys thought of it. Also, I'm starting a thread on Malini's Girl Tribe. How much responsibility should we put on our films? Should they be looked at more as an influence on real life or an entertaining escape from it? Come join Malini's Girl Tribe on Facebook and join us. I'll see you guys next week. Till then, keep spreading those good vibes.